If you want to delete your Leonardo AI account, this video will walk you through the process step by step. I'll also show you what to expect when you confirm the deletion, so you can do it safely and avoid getting stuck. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Leonardo AI homepage. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to delete, because the deletion option will only appear inside your account settings. Once you're on the homepage, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. After the menu opens, select Settings. This will take you to your Leonardo AI account settings page, where you can manage your profile and account preferences. Now scroll down through the settings page. Keep going until you find the option that says Delete Account. This is usually near the bottom, so take your time and make sure you're in the right place before continuing. When you click Delete Account, Leonardo AI will ask you to confirm that you really want to proceed. In most cases, it will ask you to type delete or your account name into the box. This is a security step to make sure the account is being removed intentionally. Carefully type the exact word or your account name into the confirmation box, just as it's shown on the screen. Then click the Confirm Delete button to finish the process. Before you do this, remember that deleting your account is usually permanent. That means you may lose access to your projects, generated content, saved settings, and any data connected to the account. So if you need anything from your account, make sure to download or save it first, and that's it. You've now completed the steps to delete your Leonardo AI account. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.